Namaste. Myself Dr. Ashish Kakkad, Professor and Principal at Faculty of Physiotherapy, Marwadi University at Rajkot, Gujarat, India. Marwadi University is NAC A+ accredited university where the students from 54 countries are studying at present. At Faculty of Physiotherapy, Marwadi University, we offer Bachelor of Physiotherapy program, Master of Physiotherapy program and also PhD at Physiotherapy subject. We believe in providing competent physiotherapists to society. For the same, university itself runs 5 OPDs in the city of Rajkot and has tie-up with the reputed hospitals in the Rajkot city. In Master of Physiotherapy program, we offer 3 specialties, that is in neurological conditions, musculoskeletal conditions and cardiopulmonary conditions. We have 3 recognized PhD guides under whom the scholars may complete their PhD. So, I welcome you all to come to our university campus for visit and see our facilities. For more details, you can visit our website, that is www.marwadiuniversity.ac.in. Thank you.